FlexClip recently introduced an AI-powered text-to-video and image-to-video features, which allows users to turn text-based content into engaging videos. The content you can generate is endless, from realistic scenes and animations to product showcases. AI completes the most time-consuming tasks and helps you create personal stories, product promo videos, explainer videos, and social media content faster. Combine the AI video generator with other AI features and editing tools to elevate your story. Easily add titles, text-to-speech voiceovers, subtitles, music, transitions, cool effects, and more to the generated video. But before that, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It's free to you, but it will help me create more useful tutorials in the future. Step 1. After clicking the link given in the description, you will come to this page. Click Generate AI Video Now button. Such an interface will appear in front of you. Here you can see that there are two options, from text to video and from image to video. First, let's talk about text to video. Here in the prompt box you can enter your desired prompt. You can also hit the Inspire Me button and AI will generate prompts for you. But since I already have a prompt, I will paste it here. Here you can choose any mode from standard or professional. Standard mode uses 10 credits per 5-second video duration and professional mode uses 35 credit for 5-second video duration. Next, by clicking on the ratio button you can select 16:9 ratio, 9:16 or 1:1 ratio according to your need. After that, we will select the video duration, which is based on 5 seconds and 10 seconds. Now click on Generate button. In a short time it has converted our text into a video as per our prompt. Let's see the result by playing it. Just look at this, how detailed this video is, and also look at the motion of the people in the background. It looks really smooth. The result is very impressive. In my opinion, it is one of the best text-to-video AI generators currently on the market. You can download this video by clicking the download button. Let's try creating another video with standard mode. This time, let's try AI-generated prompt. Select standard mode, and leave the other settings as it is. Now click the Generate button and wait for some time for processing. After a short time you can see it has converted our text into a video, and again this time it has provided an excellent result according to our prompt. During testing, I have generated some videos using the text-to-video tool, which you are watching. You can see that the results of these videos are very impressive. Step 2. Now we will test the image-to-video AI tool. By clicking on the Upload button, we upload the image we want to animate. After that, we will enter our prompt according to our image in the prompt box. Because it's optional, I am leaving it blank. Here you can see that they are given two modes, one is standard mode and the other is professional mode. Next, set the duration of the video 5 or 10 seconds. Click Generate button to start the processing. In a short time, it has converted an image into a video. Oh! What a beautiful result. It's so beautiful. I have been very impressed with FlexClip's image-to-video generation process. In summary, FlexClip is the ultimate video editing platform that combines ease of use, an extensive template library, abundant resources, comprehensive editing features, AI-powered tools, like AI Script and Video Generator. AI Script Generator can analyze the prompt and use natural language processing algorithms to create a script that meets your needs. If you have got a good script, go straight to AI Text-to-Video Generator to create a video from your script quickly. AI Text-to-Speech converts your text to realistic AI voices. These voices are highly expressive and can convey a range of emotions and tones, making them ideal for creating engaging videos. AI Auto Subtitle Generator generates subtitles or captions for your video automatically. Whether you are a novice or a seasoned professional, FlexClip empowers you to create captivating videos for various purposes with minimal effort.